Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up ASUS RT-N12plus wireless router. The ASUS RT-N12 is a wireless router that offers up to 300 megabits per second speed, ideal for small to medium homes. It has two powerful antennas for better Wi-Fi coverage and supports 3 modes: router, repeater, and access point. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. So firstly, let's unbox the router box. Inside the ASUS RT-N12 box, you'll find the router, 2 detachable antennas, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. It's everything you need to get your network up and running in just a few minutes. Plug the power adapter into the ASUS router and turn it on. Connect your modem's LAN port to the router's WAN port, blue port. Connect your computer to the router using either a LAN port, yellow, with an Ethernet cable, or the router's default Wi-Fi network, SSID. The ASUS password is printed on the bottom label. Open a browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. In the address bar, type http://192.168.1.1 or http://router.asus.com and press enter. If it doesn't open, try resetting the router by holding the reset button for 10 seconds and try again. When the setup page appears, you'll be asked to create a username and password for the router admin panel. This is not your Wi-Fi password. It's only for managing the router settings. Enter and confirm your desired username and password. Click Next. The router will auto-detect your connection type, e.g., PPPoE, dynamic IP, etc. If it's PPPoE, enter your ISP-provided username and password. If it's dynamic IP, most common, it will proceed automatically. Enter your new Wi-Fi name, SSID. This is what devices will see. Set a strong Wi-Fi password for security. Click Apply or Next. The router will reboot and save all settings. After reboot, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the name and password you just set. You can now browse the internet. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.